Welcome to Discover Talent. This is the lesson 5, and today we are exploring how custom GPT assistants are transforming the way we learn, work, and create, and how you can use them to build something amazing of your own. We will start by looking at how custom GPT assistants help in education. Then we will see how they improve business work. After that, we will explore their uses in the creative jobs, tech, and finally in healthcare. Custom GPT assistants can make learning better by giving students the right help and resources for their needs in different learning places. Teachers can create a homework helper GPT that gives students help with their assignments, explains hard topics, and share extra learning materials. This can help students to learn on their own. Tutors can use GPT assistants to make study guides and learning plans that match each student's needs and style. This helps students do better in school. Students can use custom GPTs to get help with essays and research. The assistant can suggest topics, gives the outline, and find useful information, making writing more easier. Shop owners can use GPT assistants to answer customer questions quickly and correctly, making shopping easier and better for customers. Customer service teams can use GPT assistants to quickly handle questions and help requests. This saves a time, lets staff focus on the harder problems. Marketing teams can use GPTs to create content like social media posts, blog, and emails. They can also help plan strategies by looking at market trends and what people like. In creative work, custom GPTs can help with ideas, editing, and making content, helping professionals do their job very well. YouTubers can use GPTs to write video scripts on a popular topic. This saves time and keeps their content fun and up to date. Authors can use custom GPTs to help with editing and proofreading. They give tips to fix errors, improve style, and make writing more better and faster. Artists can also use GPTs to get new ideas and explore different creative directions. It gives having a digital muse to spark inspiration. Custom GPTs can help in technical work like coding, engineering, and studying a data, make tasks easier and more faster. Developers can use GPTs to help write a code, fix errors, and explain how things are going. This makes coding faster and more easier. Engineers can use GPTs to write and manage technical documents. It can also help solve a problems by using a past data and give a correct action. Data scientists can use GPTs to study data, make a charts, and build predictive models. This helps them to find out a insights faster and more easily. In healthcare department, custom GPTs can help both doctors and patients by giving useful support and easy access to healthcare information. Therapists can make self-help GPTs that share ways to handle stress, do mindfulness exercise, and give support for mental health. Nutritionists can use GPTs to create custom diet plans and give food advice based on each person's need and goals. Fitness trainers can use GPTs to make workout plan that fit each person's fitness level and goals, making a exercise more fun and more effective. Custom GPTs can help in many areas by boosting work, ideas, and support. People and businesses can use them to build smart solutions that fit their own needs. I hope you found this useful, folks. So please don't forget to watch our lesson 6. Thank you.